Hello friends, welcome back to SmartKin. In today's video, we got the collection of 10 best multi-purpose counter shelf organizers. These are under rupees 1000. For the details, check the link given in the description box. So in this list, number 1 is Disha ABS plastic folding racks. This is really very useful folding rack. There are two pieces made of good quality of plastic. You can use it individually or stack one on top of other, and it can be a very good organizer for your kitchen. Approx price of this rack is rupees 880. Number 2, Kala's metal cabinet and counter shelf organizer. It comes with two shelves and this is expandable. In this two shelf, one shelf is a little bit larger and another one is medium size. So medium shelf can easily be placed under the bigger shelf. This shelf comes with anti-skid feet which help to get better grip and stability. Approx price for these two cabinets are rupees 899. Number 3, Gellin TwoStep kitchen counter shelves. This again is made of steel. Counter shelf organizers are really good space savers. People who has a space constraint in their house, these shelf counters are really very helpful for those people. These counters are easy to use and easy to store. Approx price for this shelf is rupees 695. Number 4, Fuji under sink tawa rack stencil steel shelf. This rack is specially made for to use under the sink where there is space is available and you are not able to use it. So over there you can make the rack and use the space. You can use this rack in bathroom, kitchen cabinet, spice rack organizer, etc. The approx price for this rack is rupees 695. Number 5, Neo cabinet door organizer. This is the over the cabinet organizer. You can store a variety of items ranging from spice and dish sponge in the kitchen. It is very easy to use. Just hang over the cabinet door and remove it when it is not in use. This is made of the metal and it is very strong. Approx price for this cabinet is rupees 499. Number 6, trendy 4-layer space saving storage organizer rack. This rack is very useful and solve your storage problem with this storage tower. This kitchen storage shelf you can slide easily and this rack is really strong and hold up to 20 kg. Approx price for this product is rupees 899. Number 7, Innovera label 3-tier spice holder rack pantry cabinet. This rack provides sufficient space and allow for easy identification of the items. Each tier is furnished with a non-skid surface so that item won't slide off the rack. Approx price for this product is rupees 699. Number 8, Flora plastic refrigerator storage rack set of 4. This multi-purpose space saver plastic storage cell you can use into refrigerator. Approx price for this product is rupees 290. Number 9, Go Hook 16-inch under shelf basket. A slide-on under shelf basket designed to utilize the wasted space in cupboard, almirahs, etc. Approx price for this product is rupees 649. Number 10, Wood Art Store 2-tier foldable shelf rack for kitchen, bathroom. This organizer helps you to neatly organize an assortment of the item. It is very easy to access. Also you can use to organize your cosmetic, toiletries, etc. Approx price for this product is rupees 515. So friends, these are the beautiful racks or shelves which can be really useful to organize your kitchen, living room, bathroom, etc. For the detail, you can check the description box for more information about the product. So friends, if you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel for new videos. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video.